Let's start with the car coasters. On your coaster, you can see that you have a shiny side where we're going to apply the sticker and a matte side where we're going to put the cork adhesive. For all the project, you want to make sure that the surfaces you're working with are clean. If there is dust or any fingerprints on your coasters, you can clean them with the alcohol wipes. Now, flip over your design so you can see the white part. Rub the design a few times using the squeegee. It's allowing your design to stick on the transfer layer that is at the front. Now, peel the back layer away very slowly to make sure that all the design is transferred correctly. Be careful, once your design touches the support, it won't be possible to remove it. Position and align your design a couple inches above your support. When you're happy with the position of your sticker, you can apply it and rub with a squeegee or your hand. Then, peel away the transfer layer very gently and very slowly. You want to try to have an angle as horizontal as possible. If you want, you can use the squeegee as a help. If any part of your design lifts up when you remove the transfer layer, lay it back down, press firmly or use the squeegee, then peel it away. Last step, you just need to put the cork adhesive on the back. Congratulations! You personalize your first car coaster. I hope you like it. What do you think? Go to the next video to see how to personalize your kitchen.